Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kimmy. No.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what's the scene? It's your girl Kimberly back at it again with another video, and today I am bringing to you this gorgeous, shocking blue look that I saw Aina was repping in her latest video. She doesn't have a tutorial for this up, so I figured, okay, let me share with you my knowledge, my secrets on how you too can achieve this look with whatever you have at home. I just had my Morphe palettes and my Juvia's Place palettes, so I just made it work for me, and this is the result. So without further ado, let's just get into this video so that you too can achieve this bomb look inspired by Aina. And let go. So I already did my brows off camera, and jumping right in with my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be using this brick orange reddish shade and applying that slightly above my crease. I'm using a fluffy blending brush to just blend that out. I'm just using a circular sort of motion. And now I'm going to apply this sort of plum fuchsia kind of color right below that orange shade in the crease directly with the same fluffy blending brush. I didn't switch out brushes or anything, and I'm just using circular motions again, making sure that's really nice and concentrated in the crease. And guys, when I tell you this look is so easy, I basically use like 3 colors. And now going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, I'm just taking the shade Chi and a damp eyeshadow brush and applying that to my lid. And how I applied it, I kind of made it like a cut crease, and you'll see later that we're going to blend that, so it's more of a seamless transition. And you want to really take your time, because one wrong stroke and you look like you have a black eye. And now going back in my Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking the same plum shade from before and just blending that in the crease over the harsh line that the blue shade created, so that I can have a more seamless transition. And even though it looks like I'm going really fast and quickly, I am taking my time because I don't want this to end up looking very messy. You want to take your time with this. And then going back in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, I'm taking the shade Giza and applying that as my inner corner highlight, because this cannot be a Aina look without some inner corner highlight. She is the queen of inner corner highlights. Now I'm just applying liquid liner. I'm giving myself a winged liner look because I just feel like this look calls for the dramaticness of a nice little wing liner. Be sure to check the description box for the list of all the products I used in this video. And don't worry guys, I know I skipped over my face routine, but I've already put that in so many of my other videos, so you can go check those out. And I'll leave a link in the cards and description box below for my recent foundation routine / natural makeup routine. So I got you, don't worry. As you can see here, I'm just tight lining my eyes with my pencil liner in black. It's the only shade I use anyways, tight line. And yes, we all know the struggle when you go too close to the tear duct and you begin to sprout some tears. And now going back in with my Morphe 35B palette, I'm just taking that purple shade and going directly under the tight line close to my lash line with a smudger brush, and then I'm going in with that plum shade and a small detailer brush right underneath that to bring the look together. Now I'm just lining my lips with some pink lip liner. I think this is by Jordana. I don't know the exact shade off the top of my head, but like I said before, all products will be listed in the description box below. And now I'm filling in my lips with Lime Crimes Velveteen liquid lipstick in the shade Faded, and it was too much of a look, so I decided to put over my lip gloss, and something still wasn't right about the look. I thought it looked a bit too light, so I decided to darken it with my NYX Simply Vamp lip cream, and that's the look that I thought looked as close as possible to Jackie given the products that I had in my arsenal. Alright, so as you can see, I am dressed to the nines. I'm really not. I'm really just wearing my boyfriend's jacket. I just thought it really, you know, went with the blue theme. Kind of, you see what I'm going for? Yeah, whatever. Okay guys, so that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and it was really easy. As you can see, I used like what, 3 colors, 3 eyeshadow shades, 4 maybe tops, and it was very simple to achieve. Now it's definitely a look that gets ugly before it gets beautiful, but as you can see, when you go through the process, you end up looking like a gorgeous, you know, what are you, a gorgeous blueberry. Why am I like this? That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was easy for you to follow along, and I hope that Jackie Aina sees this, because like I love her. She's my favorite YouTuber and favorite beauty guru ever, so I hope she sees this somehow one day. One slay. Go tell her I sent you and that I created the look. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.